Unlock True Freedom, 10 Powerful Buddhist Lessons. Imagine a life where you're completely free. Free from the control of others' opinions, the fear of rejection, and the chaos of distractions. A life where your inner peace is unshakable, and you stay true to your path despite the noise of the world around you. How would you handle the pressure of a world constantly trying to influence and derail you? Buddhism offers a timeless guide, a path to rise above external chaos and unlock your full potential by focusing inward. Today, let's explore 10 transformative Buddhist lessons that show you how to break free from others' opinions and take control of your life. Stop relying on others for your happiness. The Buddha said, "Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. True happiness is not something others can give you." Depending on external validation, be it approval, praise, or attention, places your emotions in the hands of others. When they falter, so does your joy. Instead, Buddhism teaches us to look inward, embrace self-reliance by finding joy in the present moment, practicing gratitude, and being at peace with yourself. By doing so, you create an unshakable foundation of inner contentment. Embrace solitude as a source of strength. The Buddha taught, meditate, live purely, be quiet, do your work with mastery. Solitude isn't something to fear, it's a space for growth. Time alone allows you to reflect, meditate, and connect with your true self. By embracing solitude, you cultivate clarity, emotional resilience, and inner power. Stop seeking approval from others. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection, said the Buddha. When you seek validation from others, you give away control over your self-worth. Real confidence comes from within. Practice self-acceptance and give yourself the love and kindness you deserve. The less you depend on others' opinions, the freer and more confident you become. Reframe rejection as redirection. Rejection doesn't define your worth, it redirects you toward growth. The Buddha reminds us, in the end, only 3 things matter: how much you loved, how gently you lived, and how gracefully you let go of things not meant for you. Letting go of rejection with grace frees you from pain and opens doors to new opportunities. Trust that rejection is a stepping stone on your journey. Release the fear of judgment. One of the biggest sources of anxiety is worrying about what others think, but as the Buddha taught, let none find fault with others, but let one see one's own acts, done and undone. People's opinions reflect their own perspectives, not your worth. By focusing on your own growth and actions, you free yourself from the exhausting cycle of seeking approval and fearing judgment. Prioritize your peace over pleasing others. The Buddha said, "Better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace." Trying to please everyone often comes at the cost of your own well-being. Set boundaries and learn to say no when needed. When you prioritize your peace, you can give to others from a place of strength rather than sacrifice. Focus on what you can control. Rule your mind or it will rule you, the Buddha warned. Many frustrations come from trying to control the uncontrollable. Others' actions, outcomes, or external circumstances. Shift your focus inward. Master your thoughts, emotions, and reactions. This is where true power lies. Realize people are focused on themselves. We often assume people are watching and judging us, but the truth is, most are too absorbed in their own lives to notice. The Buddha advised, your work is to discover your world, and then, with all your heart, give yourself to it. Focus on your own path instead of worrying about others' opinions. This frees you to live authentically and pursue your purpose without fear. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison is a thief of joy. The Buddha said, health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth. Social media often tempts us to compare our lives with others, but it only breeds envy and dissatisfaction. Instead, practice gratitude and mindfulness. Celebrate your progress and unique journey, knowing that your value is not determined by someone else's success. Prioritize inner growth over external validation. The mind is everything. What you think you become, said the Buddha. Chasing external validation, likes, compliments, or recognition, feeds the ego but leaves the soul empty. Inner growth rooted in mindfulness, self-awareness, and compassion brings lasting fulfillment. When you focus on your values, integrity, and personal development, external praise or criticism loses its hold on you. True freedom lies in mastering your mind and emotions. By letting go of external expectations and focusing on your inner growth, you unlock your true potential. If these lessons resonate with you, like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom. Remember, the journey to self-empowerment begins within.